Welcome to Jones Junk Journals and some happy mail from Miss Southern Belle. Okay, high anticipation. It's been a very long week. Anyways, I was forewarned to get the knife out because this is from Miss Southern Belle. Thank you so much. And I'm being very careful not to cut through too much. See, now I have experience because my mom used to pack boxes like this. I'm getting so excited. Oh, I love the fall colors. Oh my goodness, isn't this just beautiful? Evening at Autumn Lake. I don't know if you can see here or not. It's so gorgeous. Make sure I don't have anything to rub off, huh? No. Okay, that's all dry. Okay. And the drills are round. So we have the pen, the little boat, we have lots of the wax, we have the straightener, a 3 drill, and that looks like about a 6 in the one. Okay, this is a 16 by 12 or a 40 by 30. It has 42 colors and 14,961 drills. And beautiful Thomas Kincaid, the painter of light. I had to add this little clip in just so that you guys can see. Instruction sheet. Beautiful soft canvas. I've never had one with such a soft canvas before. Oops. Just gonna try to straighten it out a little bit here. Really sticky. Oh, and then it has a little border right here without any drills and without any glue. Okay, this will be my first one with all of these little different things that are not numbers or letters, these little symbols. I am so happy that I have my light table. I love this. I'll have to lay this down somewhere to flatten out really nice. I can't do like some people under my bed mattress because my bed mattress is on some wooden planks. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, so I'll flip it over. You'll see the drills. Oh, love the purple. These drills seem to have just a little bit more shine than some other ones. Mind you, this is a diamond dots. Look at the beautiful greens, pinks. Oh, this is so gorgeous with these colors. Oh, some ABs. I just love all of these fall colors. Fall is a beautiful time of the year, but not what comes after. Gorgeous. Okay, I'll put that away and I'll be right back again. Okay. I'm just going to see how much time I have. Oh my goodness, did you ever pack it in here? Oh, I love these. Okay, round jams by Make Market. There's 4 of them. So, is that Easter Island? I know the name of those. Stonehenge in UK. Great Wall of China. Chichen Itza Castillo in Mexico. Okay. Oh, I love these sizes. These feel like really good. Isn't that a nice size? These are full drill also. Oh, Great Wall of China. Did you know there's a Great Wall of China in Medicine Hat, Alberta? That's where they make Chinaware. Okay. They will look a lot better when they're done. Look at that. Just so gorgeous. They're so cute. I love them. Oh, okay, this is the first time that I've had the little stickers with the numbers already. Okay, no stickers, but it's got the sheet. Okay, 44 colors between these 4. Awesome. Now, one thing I didn't check with this other one. Okay, well, yeah, they're both the trains. Okay. Got a few extra baggies. Oh, and a different little bow. I'm gonna have to try this one out, see if I like it better than the green ones. And the pen with the squishy. Okay, there's a couple of little pieces of wax in here. Okay, these are 5 by 7. And Oh, I love the AB drills. I think I could either make these into cards maybe, or in a journal cover. What do you think? Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, I'll pack these up and then I'll be right back. And no, I won't kit all of these colors all at once. I'm only going to kit up for whatever I'm going to do, one picture at a time. And thank you, Miss Belle, for sending the boxes also. I'm storing everything else in the boxes so they don't get mixed up while I lay these flat. Oh, and the kitties. Oh, I love the kitties. But you already knew that I love the kitties. And once again, this is diamond dots per pair. I like that. Okay. I hope I'm keeping in camera for everybody. Shout if I get out of camera, okay? We have 14 colors and the little gray boat with a couple extra pieces for the pen. A little squishy. That looks like about a 6 placer, and the straightener. And that looks like about a 3. Cannot get these mixed up. I have 6 minutes before I go live, so I'm only going to open this one here. Oh, more stuff in here. Oops. Oh. Oh my goodness, isn't that so cute? So cute. $35 by $35. And 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 14 colors. Oh, that is so cute. That's going to go right up in front of me. Oops, sorry, I was so excited. I forgot to mention that this is a partial drill. So all the knitted or crocheted yarn in the background is not drilled, not sticky, only the kitties. And it is 10.6 by 10.6 for the design size, or 27 centimeter by 27 centimeters. The canvas is 35 by 35. And let us look at the beautiful colors of the kitties. Oh, this is going to look so adorable when it's done. You know I just love my kitties. Okay, now I'm going to put this away and carry on. Oh, my goodness. Coasters. Coasters, coasters. I have wanted to try out coasters. How did you know? She's so spoiling me. Okay, we have our regular little boat wax and pan. And I love these little drills that sparkle so much. The kitty ones. Oh my goodness, look at this. Aren't these just adorable? Can you see those? Yes, you can. Good. Oh, those are so stinking cute. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Oh, I love them. They are so cute. Okay, now these are just the cork backs that will stick on there later. And I'm going to put it back in like that, just to protect the kitties for right now. Okay, now here are the drills for those gorgeous, gorgeous kitty coasters. Did I mention gorgeous? Oh. Did I mention how much I love these type of drills? Oh, the glitter. Oh, just look at those. My favorite color. And more favorite colors. And more. Just beautiful. Oh. And of course, purple. Now I have excuse to act goofy. I can act goofy just like Miss Belle. Ain't he just so cute? I think Mickey, Minnie, and Goofy are going to play tonight. Oh. Oh, and look at that little nail art. My nails will be decorated up for next video, okay? Oh, look at that. Man, this is a box that just keeps on giving and giving. Look at these beautiful papers. Woodland scrapbooking paper sheets. Oh, I love that. Gorgeous. Oh dear. Oh dear. Beautiful. I hope you guys can see. Good. Good. Oh dear. And a card. Oh, isn't that lovely? Aww. And a $2 US bill. We don't have our $2 bills anymore, nor our ones. Thank you, thank you. This is going to go in my little special book that I have, my dollar bills from other countries. So I'm going to put that in there nice and safe. Thank you so much, Miss Belle. I love everything. I absolutely love everything. And I love you. And I go on live in a minute, so I'm going to have to go. But I just want to say thank you, everyone, for watching. I love and I appreciate you all. And hope to see you again soon.